Hey, oh no, don't disturb, okay? Napping time. Okay, buddy. Wow, nice here. Cute kitten.
Are you
Hey,
serious?
don't disturb working time, okay? What happened? Hey, no. Yes, good moment. Really hard to see. Cute kitten, lovely. Oh my god. Hey. What are you doing here? Huh? Silly cat? You're doing over here. Really cute and sad here. Look, cute eyes. Huh? Come on. Really amazing here. Whatever. Oh no, don't barking, okay? I know silly. Come on. Yes, funny. Really amazing, guys. Oh no, good jumping here on the water. Hey. Too much crazy, huh? Come on. Guys, did you love this video? If you love this video, please watch until last. You will get refreshed. And if you love this video, like, comment and share, okay? If you are new in Purnima Ke Pets channel, please subscribe. And please share whatever you want, you can do. Wow, nice here. Oh shit, come on. Cute. Oh no, good guess, huh? Come on, really funny, guys. Oh no, shit. Oh my god, oh, this copy paste, huh? You're doing some like baby. Hey, come on, open eyes. Nice. Good. Try to good, huh? Yes, oh yeah. Come on. Really. Oh no. Shit. Oh, really funny. You're hanging on the cord. Oh no. Really cute. Lovely moment. Lovely. Nice, guys. Nice. Yes. Feeling nail. Oh no. Come on. Hey. Really funny, yeah. Amazing pets. Oh no. Oh shit. Come on. Cute here. Really funny. Hey, don't. Oh no. Bad day. Come on. Oh, nice. Don't fight, huh? Oh shit. Oh no. Really cute here. Come on. Wow, nice. Guys, how do you like this video? Did you love this video? If you love this video, please like, comment and share. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe. Purnima Ke Pets. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon another video.